stay here for too long. All right. Oh, geez. It's cold. Hey, everyone. I'm just heading home. So it's been a while. I know I haven't updated you guys in a bit on, you know, just what's been happening with life and everything. I had a pretty slow day today. I tried learning Premiere Pro for majority of the day, but in all honesty, it's definitely going to be a slow process. I'm still in the very beginner stages of learning Premiere Pro, which is fine. I did say that I would give an update a bit later on as to what I'd be doing, and you know, for the first few weeks I still didn't really know what I was going to do. Some things have sort of changed. They're not exactly where I want them to be at still at this point, but essentially I'm doing freelance work. So I have a friend who owns a business, and they've actually given me the opportunity to, you know, sort of create social media content for their page and everything. So I'm sort of doing freelancing in that space. I haven't taken on any more freelancing jobs just because I feel like I sort of have a lot already on my table. Like, I'm doing this, and then I'm doing my friend's editing, and it's sort of getting a bit overwhelming, and I'm just trying to find the most efficient way to edit videos in a good quality, but also making sure it's as time efficient as possible, because I just didn't think it would be so taxing on my time, and especially with the reduction in my income, it's had me down a little bit, to say the least. So I guess, yeah, that's the update. I do now technically have a job, which is freelancing, but I know that I could take on more freelance work for other people, and if, you know, they liked what I make. But in all honesty, the stuff that I make, I like it, but I know that I'm nowhere near where I want it to be at still. I know that I could still edit videos a lot better than what I can right now. I'm just still trying to maintain consistency while improving at the same time. Life has had me, you know, what can I say? It's humbled me, I guess. It's been pretty much a month now, actually. Yeah, I think it's been exactly a month since I lost my job, so it is what it is. I'm still debating whether or not I want to get another casual job on top of this to get more income in order to survive, but at the same time, I'm doing okay, I think. I'm just seeing how the next few weeks go. They're not exactly where I thought I would be going at this point in the year, but you got to make the most of it. You just got to keep going, I guess. Ideally, I would have liked to have moved out into my own place by myself. And what the heck? What the heck is this guy doing on a bicycle at this time? Oh yeah, by the way, it's like 1:45 a.m. right now. I usually don't stay up this late, let alone go riding at this time so often. Not usually by myself. If I was to do it, it would be with some friends as well. But that was a small little update. I mean, I'm thinking about doing a Q&A soon, so send me some questions. Let me know what you guys want to know, I guess, and I'll try my best to answer them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the little update. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, subscribe. Peace.